bitch wanna fool. Miss Curio.
Angie. Angie.
What? That bitch wanna fool. Something happens and I'm head over heels.
It's a lie.
Something happens. Turn on the lights.
Lids.
1, 2, 3, 4. Freddy's coming for you. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. 7, 8. Lock the gate. 9, 10. Wait, you're not blocked on TikTok?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No.
Oh. She didn't block you? Boring. She blocked you, Angie?
Yeah, of course she did.
I don't think she needs. She doesn't have anything else on you.
Huh?
Shut up. Because they were friends.
Yeah, she didn't even block me on Spotify.
She didn't block me either.
Why am I blocked?
Spotify? Most likely.
Hey Google, I'm playing New Jeans.
What?
You're gonna get murdered to New Jeans.
My name is Angelina Gomez, and I just did my Cold War. Oh, this is me before my Cold War presentation. Hello, this is Angelina Gomez, and this is after my Cold War presentation.
Video.
Are you gonna look?
You're shorter than Angie Gomez.
Hey, baby. You wanna? Wait.
You're so scary.
Wait,
Stop it.
I'm gonna raise up someone. Go.
Okay, I'm shorter than you.
Hey, I saw you here.
What grader?
Like, I just think you're.
No, say what you were saying. You're gonna get over her?
Yeah. I have to go for someone who's more available.
Like who?
I don't know. That's for me to figure out.
Yeah,
bitch. You. Like you. New Year's resolution. I'm at end of school. New school, new me.
The fuck?
Oh, I forgot to tell you guys.
Yeah.
I'm
You're
moving.
Schools?
Yeah. I'm
Bye.
going to.
Bye, bitch.
What school are you moving to? To Colony.
Wait, are you being for real?
Yeah, my mom told me this morning.
Wait. I am.
Angelina, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In a ditch?
What? Doing what?
No, listen. I'm making the ditch. Because I am
what?
burying the body.
Whose body?
Yours. I'll find
girl.
you. I'll find you.
A banana? Because I want to peel you open.
What the fuck?
That's it. I just want to peel you open.
Are you a peanut? 'Cause I'd like to crack you open. Get it? Because you crack peanuts open. Get it?
What would you rate that pickup line out of 10? Wait, how are you
100.
feeling? How are you feeling for a history presentation?
I'm prepared. No, I look so fun.
Now I have to like
Anyways, when I was practicing the first time, it was at 6 minutes, but I've reduced it to 3.
Hi, Roshni.
Hatred, Amy, hashtag.
This is the real horror movie. Shit! The
Don't touch that on camera. You didn't see that.
I'm taming her. Okay, would you ever smash or pass?
You know what? Shut up.
Smash or pass your mom. Smash. This was a good vlog.
Smash or pass?
I already asked this and she went crazy. Respectful.
It's about personality.
Her brain.